That was a great, by the way, that was a great vision. It's one of the reasons I haven't been
We're so excited.
How did you like the movie, sir?
Oh, the movie was wonderful. It was wonderful. I just loved it. Sarah Palin is, besides how she looks, whether you like her or whether you hate her, that doesn't make any difference. The message is clear, true America.
Thank you. One more question. What would you say to someone who is on the fence about wanting to come and see the movie?
Oh, I don't know. There's been so much hate garnered about her by the major news media. I think it's going to be hard for people to put that aside, but I really wish they would. If the liberals think they truly have an open mind, come and show that you have an open mind.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great stuff. Great stuff.
Ladies, would you like to give a reaction to the movie?
Hey, Bill, do you have your marketing, your